I was a camper. My experience was amazing. I had a great time. The way the workshop was put together, it was ran well. It felt like a small environment to where I felt very comfortable to actually get to know the people I was working around, to ask them questions, to actually get to know me as a person. The camp inspired me to want to work with other students, to guide them coming to college.
I wanted to pursue a leadership role in the workshop, mainly because I didn't have anything like this in high school. So I saw it as a great opportunity to kind of show kids who are still in high school what it would be like in a collegiate program and hopefully inspire more kids.
With this workshop, it opens a lot of doors to knowledge, the pinnacle of your experiences and what you want to learn in the direction you want to go, whether you stick with athletic training, go to PT, go OT, any other route. It's a stepping stone.
Favorite part about participating in the workshop was being able to answer the kids' questions and then also getting to participate with them in something, show them the BFR, how they do needling, cupping, and things they don't get to do in a high school. And then also to just be in part of the fun, like the taping competition, and get hyped up about my taping, but also help them with their taping and see what students improved from the beginning of the camp to the end of the camp.
Because with this workshop, it opens a lot of doors to knowledge of dry needling, cupping, shockwave, some of the rehab equipment that we have, of the hydro works, and also the basics of regular therapeutic exercises.
To the TCU SMU training workshop, and my personal TCU experience was just getting to actually work with kids still in high school and to get them to want to come to TCU, and then also to be part of TCU's athletic training program. We have a great 3+2 program, but also just our kinesiology department and our athletic training staff as a whole. Getting to have these students get that experience and to work with them was a great opportunity.
The best part is the opportunity to come back after you're finished with the workshop, allow you to come to a game to get observation hours, to work to see what it's like in a true day in the life of an athletic trainer.
I think someone should attend the athletic training workshop because it's an experience not a lot of people get, and I think it's a great opportunity to showcase what it's like to work and be in the athletic training world and a collegiate level, but also to give them an introduction to what they can do in college, the vast amount of opportunities they have, and then also for them to get connections with certified athletic trainers. And I think they just learn a lot.